Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp Whiteboards and how they can help you brainstorm, plan, and collaborate visually with your team. Whiteboards are perfect for mapping ideas and turning them into real tasks. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign into your ClickUp account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces and tools are available. Now, look at the left sidebar and click on Whiteboards. If you don't see it right away, click More to find it. Once inside, click Create Whiteboard and give it a clear name so your team knows what it's for, like project planning or brainstorming ideas. Inside the whiteboard, you'll see a blank canvas. You can start adding elements right away. Use sticky notes to write ideas, text boxes to add explanations, and shapes or connectors to organize everything visually. You can drag, resize, and rearrange items freely. Yeah, it's very flexible. One powerful feature is turning ideas into tasks. Select any note or shape, then choose the option to convert it into a ClickUp task. You can assign it to a list, set a due date, add assignees, and priorities. This makes it super easy to move from planning to execution without leaving the whiteboard. You can also collaborate in real time. Invite teammates to the whiteboard so they can add ideas, comment, or move elements around. This works great for team meetings, sprint planning, or remote brainstorming sessions. Everyone can see updates instantly. Another helpful tip is linking whiteboards to docs or tasks. This keeps your ideas connected to actual work and makes it easy to reference planning discussions later on. You can also use templates to get started faster if you don't want to begin from scratch. Once your whiteboard is ready, you can keep it for ongoing planning or archive it when the project is complete. Everything stays saved in ClickUp, so you can come back anytime. And that's it. ClickUp whiteboards are a powerful way to visualize ideas, collaborate with your team, and turn concepts into action. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you